Now, let us explore one example on the topic rising up to any challenge and responding to it. Now, what is the situation? The school has organized Ritu and Dina studied in a same class, and school has organized an educational trip for that class to visit a village where students will help out and work with villagers for a day. This is now the what is the response of Ritu and Dina. We will see the response of Ritu and Dina. The Ritu first when he heard this about this trip, the first he always focus on the hardship what he will face. तो ही उसका सोच क्या सोचने लगा, ओ दे आर हैव टू ट्रैवल बाय ए क्राउडेड ट्रेन फॉर 2 hours, then catch a local bus. I don't know what type of food villagers will give us, and what we'll have to do. Maybe a lot of hard physical work that I am not used to, and there will be a proper toilet or not. So many negative thinking are coming in her mind, and he's thinking, no, I don't want to go for this trip. But Dina always look forward. He said, oh, no, she thinking there may be some inconvenience I am not used to, but so what? This will be a new experience for me. I am looking forward to it. I would love to go on this trip क्योंकि सारे फ्रेंड्स एक साथ जाऊंगा तो इट विल बी फन. तो ही इज़ वेरी विलिंग टू फेस हार्डशिप एंड लव ऑफ एडवेंचर. But Dina always want to stay in a comfort zone, and he always any challenge he facing, he first see the hardship. His focus is on the hardship, and that's why he is a fear in her mind, and thus he said no, I don't want to go for this trip. But it will affect it this mindset of both Dina and Ritu. What will be the effect of this mindset, we will see. Now in the long run, after a few years later, যখন Ritu and Dina have joined a bank and they are being interviewed for a promotion, and both were got selected and posted in a rural branch. But Ritu's ऑलवेज सी द हार्डशिप फ्रॉम शुरू से ही वो ऐसे ही करते आ रहा है. तो क्या सोचना शुरू किया, ओ आई डोंट नो हाउ आई विल मैनेज इन एन अननोन प्लेस विथ न्यू पीपल. आई डोंट नो हाउ लिविंग कंडीशंस इन द रूरल एरिया विल बी. तो प्लीज़ डोंट पोस्ट मी इन ए रूरल ब्रांच. आई डोंट माइंड इफ़ आई डोंट गेट ए प्रमोशन. तो दीना क्या सोच रहा है, Dina always ready to face the challenges, willing, and always a adventure. He like adventure. So he's thinking there will be challenges. I have never lived for a long in a rural area. But so what? I feel confident I can find answer when challenges come up. This is a great opportunity for me to learn many new things. So she was ready to accept the promotion, and he's thinking if I get the promotion I will do my best there. So if they promote it, they will gain more knowledge, and day by day Dina's Atmashuddha will be increased. On the other side, Ritur Atmashuddha will be decreased. Okay? She always wanted to stay in a comfort zone, and when there is a challenge, any hardship, any challenge or any situation, always her focus is on the hardship of the situation, and he not ready to respond to that situation. So that is, but here Dina always ready to face the challenges and responding to it.